Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Leonardo AI credits issues in 2026. So if your credits aren't showing up, credits aren't being deducted correctly, or you're unable to use image generation features despite having credits available. Here are some common solutions you can try. First, sign in to your Leonardo AI account and check your current credit balance from the dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your subscription or credit purchase. Next, refresh the page and wait a few moments. Yeah, recently added credits may sometimes take a little time to appear in your account. If your credits still aren't showing, review your billing history and verify that the payment was completed successfully. Pending or failed transactions can prevent credits from being added. If multiple features are affected, check whether Leonardo AI is experiencing billing issues, maintenance, or service disruptions that could impact credit usage. Finally, revisit your dashboard and confirm that your credit balance is available before attempting a new image generation request. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Leonardo AI credits issues in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.